Hi, all enchanting and vibrant members of sharEvery professionals. A warm good afternoon. English, it's the language of international communication. It's a language of business. It's a language of computer, internet. Every nook and corner we can see the influence of English. English, it is opening a big world in front of you. Then how can we speak English? How can we speak English spontaneously without fumbling, stuttering and stammering? Yeah, the people will suggest you different ways. And somebody suggests you watch English films daily. And somebody says read English newspapers. And somebody says you can chat with foreigners. Yeah, different people will suggest you different things. But I can give you an optimum idea. Learn English unknowingly. Learn English with activities and games. Definitely, I can give you a wonderful opportunity on Tuesday, February 2nd at 8:30 p.m. We will do some activities and games. Let's have a fun in English and we can learn. We can learn new things. Come on, don't forget and don't miss it. Thank you.